Hello and welcome back to another episode of openHR. My name is Jake, and today we will be having a look at expense claims and refunds. To manage expense claims and refunds, simply click on Services and then on Expense Claims/Refunds. Here will be your entire list of expense claims. Let's go ahead and do our first one. To do our first one, simply click on the New button and then you can select your employee. After which you can enter a project if you want to. It's not compulsory, but let's just say Client A, doing random work. Now let's add the expenses. To add an expense, simply click on the plus button at the bottom and then you can select the date of the expense, and you can select the category. You can enter the description if you want to, and then you can enter the amount. And let's add another one for the same project. It was an expensive hotel. Now we can save that. As you can see there, you have it. You can then print the form if it needs to be signed off. And you can also mark as paid if you want to. There's cash and EFT options, and you can select the payment date, but this was not paid yet, so let's leave it as is. You can also delete an item if you want to. Just mark that specific item as delete in the edit view, and then save it. There you can see it was updated. Let's print the updated one. Again, here you can see that item was deleted. To manage the expense categories, you can simply click on the Settings button, and then you can add more if you want to. Like always, be careful when editing existing items as this will affect prior expense claims already processed. And that's your expense claims. Thank you so much for watching. Please join me again next time for a tutorial on pay transaction settings.